Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Chase for merchant services payouts step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Chase Merchant Services website. Once on the home page, locate the login button typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the authentication page. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, type your password into the password field. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. If you are using two-factor authentication, you will receive a verification code via your registered mobile number or email. Retrieve the verification code and input it into the required field on the screen. After entering the code, click on the Verify button. Once authenticated, you will be redirected to your merchant services dashboard. Navigate to the Payouts section, usually found in the main menu. In the Payouts section, you can check your payment status, view transaction history, and manage your payout preferences. If you need to update your banking information for payouts, locate the Account Settings option in the menu. Enter your updated banking information as needed. After making changes, be sure to save your settings. For any issues during the authentication process, consult the FAQs or customer support on the website. You are now ready to manage your merchant services payouts with Chase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.